Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be explaining the dual Wi-Fi connectivity in the support test in the Realme X7 Pro device. So if you observe on the top of the notification panel, as you can see here friends, so right now I have connected the two different Wi-Fi networks at same time, and you can speed up the Wi-Fi connection in the Realme X7 Pro device. So as friends, it is possible to do that in the Realme X7 Pro. So right now I'll be going through the step-by-step process how you need to do about this dual Wi-Fi connection in the Realme X7 Pro smartphone. So let me try to show you the about phone settings. So exactly this is a Realme X7 Pro, and which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, and this is the first time I'm using this 1000 plus processor. And if you want to know more details about the processor as well, stay tuned for the upcoming videos. And already I did upload more than 20 videos on the Realme X7 Pro alone, so try to check that Realme X7 Pro playlist, links in description. So you will find very good in-depth videos on this phone, so you can decide whether to buy this phone or not. So this dual Wi-Fi connection, this is not the new type of feature which is available only in this phone. This is the old type, which is 1 year old one, which is already found in the Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see, this is a Realme X2 Pro smartphone, which where first time I did find the option of dual Wi-Fi connection only in this phone device. And later I started to check the most of the Realme phones, they are coming with this kind of dual Wi-Fi connection as well, so which is very good advantage nowadays. If you're working from home, then definitely you need to have this kind of dual Wi-Fi connection to have the better and strong Wi-Fi connection. So right now if you go to the Wi-Fi settings, you will find this option so of dual Wi-Fi acceleration. Connect to two different Wi-Fi networks at same time to speed up the internet connection. As you can see friends, so once you're in that, you need to just turn on the dual Wi-Fi connection. So let me try to go here. So let me try to just enable this one, and now you need to click the speed up now. So sometimes it will show and display an error message saying that it's connection error, and try to start again and again and again. I did try same kind of method in the Realme X7 Pro. I did face the problem of not connecting, showing an error, but I did click again and again and again, so then it started to work. So try multiple times to get this feature to be working on this mobile phone. So one of the advantages is that most of the third-party applications, they're actually supported with the dual Wi-Fi connection. So in the beginning I used to see only two applications, which are 2 or 3 applications, but later on, after using for 1 year, and as you can see, the list has been increased. The Amazon Prime has been added, Telegram, Flipkart, and Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube. So most of the applications, they are getting updated with this kind of dual Wi-Fi connection. So definitely if you use this kind of option in the YouTube, that will be very good advantage in terms of streaming properly. And for example, if you're downloading any movies in the Amazon Prime as well, the dual Wi-Fi connection will help you to speed up the download speeds as well. So this is a really good advantage in terms of using this dual Wi-Fi connection at same time. So I hope this kind of dual Wi-Fi connection, most of the Redmi, Poco, and other mid-range segments, they should also have this kind of option of having dual Wi-Fi connection, so which is really good advantage in terms of adding. So that's it friends, is a quick review on the dual Wi-Fi connection and how to enable, and what are the advantages and there are no disadvantages at the moment. Maybe that there will be battery draining problem, but thank you friends for watching this video, and more details I'll try to do on the Wi-Fi tips and tricks what are present in this mobile phone alone, because in the Wi-Fi connection there are so many tips and tricks what you can try in this Realme X7 Pro device. So thank you friends for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.